Hey, did you ever meet the problems that an MP4 file can't open because something went wrong? Why would this happen? How can we repair MP4 video files? In today's video, I will show you all these concerns. Let's move on. When MP4 file gets corrupted, it may be because the file type is not supported, the file extension is incorrect, or the file may be infectious by a virus. Repair video with UltraRepair 100% success rate. When the video file gets corrupted, the most convenient solution is to use a reliable app to fix it. iMyFone UltraRepair is a powerful video repair tool that can fix the issues like video corruption, black screen while watching the video occurs error code, etc. With a user-friendly interface, everyone can use this tool. Let's see how it works below. Step 1. Download and install iMyFone UltraRepair on your PC. Then open the program and choose Video Repair on the left side. Click Add Video to upload the video you want to repair. Step 2. Click the Repair button on the bottom right to begin the repairing process. Step 3. Wait for a moment for the program to repair the MP4 file. Then click Yes. Save All option to save the repaired video. Then you can open the saved repair video to watch it. Use VLC Media Player to repair corrupted video, not 100% success. Another method is that you can utilize VLC to repair your videos by transcoding the MP4 file's code. See how it's going. Open VLC Player and navigate to Media, then Convert Save. Click on Add to insert the MP4 videos you wish to transcode and insert the MP4 video to VLC. Hit Convert Save, then choose the input codec you want from the profile list. Choose a name and location to save the file in, and click the Start button in the Convert window to start the process. Wait a moment and you can check the repair file on the dock. That's all for today's video. If your video got corrupted, the most useful ways we recommend you use is UltraRepair. If you're interested, click the link on the description to have a try.